Hey guys, Dave at R&R Motors here, just showcasing one of my favorite cars in stock, 2016 Lexus RX 350. It's probably our most popular selling SUV. Mom drives one, we've sold them to all our mechanics, but this particular car, one owner, clean Carfax, excellent service history, riding on a set of Michelin tires. It's a pearl white finish. I'll show you inside. Looks black, but this is actually a dark navy interior. This was a local trade-in, but keep in mind we buy cars, so if you are interested in selling something, shoot me a message or comment. We'd love to earn your business.